Now, dear students, what are we being asked? We are being asked to find the radius of this circle. We have to find this particular radius. This question might appear to be a bit tricky, or if it does not appear to be tricky, I'll ask you to pause the video and just try to solve it. Okay. Now I'll start with the solution. See, first of all, we are being told that this AE is 20 and this AG is 10. Okay, this is given to us. How to proceed? See, first thing, let's say if this is the radius, if I join the center and this point at the circumference, this is the radius. Again, this I join to the center, this will also be the radius. If this portion is radius and this portion is 20 from here to here, that means I can say this portion. This portion is what? See, this is 20. This is 20. So this becomes R minus 20. Again, this is R. This is R and this much is 10. This is 10. So from here to here, how much it becomes? This complete is R. This is 10. So that way this becomes what? This becomes R minus 10. R minus 10. I hope it is legible. Okay. Now nothing is tough. See, this portion is R minus 20. Why R minus 20? This is R minus 20. This is R minus 20. This is R minus 10. I write over here also this portion is R minus 10. Now see how easy this question is, dear students. This is R minus 10. This is R minus 20 and this question is over. How come? This is capital R. This is radius. This is a right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. When this is a right angle triangle, what I'll say, this square plus this square is equal to this square. That is Pythagoras theorem. R minus 20 square plus R minus 10 square is equal to R square. Okay. Easy. R minus 20 square plus R minus 10 square is equal to R square. Now I won't solve this question, my dear students. What I observe, see, if from here to here I move in this particular term, what am I doing? I'm doing plus 10. Here also R minus 10, if you add 10 to R minus 10, you will get a R. What I want to emphasize is, what I'm emphasizing on is there is a gap of 10 in these two and also a gap of 10 in these two. So what I'll do, I'll tell you a basic concept. You know a Pythagoras triplet, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. This is a Pythagoras triplet. 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagoras triplet. 3, 4 and 5 makes a Pythagoras triplet. In this is P, this is B, this is hypotenuse. My direct answer is 50. R is equal to 50. I need not solve this further. Okay. See, here the gap is, if I do plus 1, again I do plus 1. Getting it, dear students? So these two terms, this set of two terms and this set of two terms have a difference of 1. When we have these sort of things, equal difference, the moment I see this equal difference, it clicks in my mind, this is the Pythagoras triplet. Okay. Now when this is the Pythagoras triplet, if I double it, okay, it will again hold to be a Pythagoras triplet. That is 6 square plus 8 square will give you a 10 square. It is still a valid Pythagoras triplet. So here I have multiplied it by 2. What so if I multiply it by 10, when I multiply it by 10, what I'll get? 30 square, 40 square, 30 square plus 40 square is equal to 50 square. That is 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagoras triplet. That way 30, 40, 50 will also be a Pythagoras triplet. I need not solve it. So I can see this is 10 more, this is further 10 more. So this term will be what? 50. The gap, had the gap been 1, 1, 1, it would have been 30, 40, 50. When the gap is 10, 10, 10, it will be 30, 40, 50. So that way R will be 50. If you want, you can solve this equation. It will turn out to be a quadratic. Then you will solve quadratic. It will take a lot of time, at least a bit of time. Okay, but it will consume 1 minute. Okay. So the best way is this way. Now just think about it. In how much time can you solve this question? See, we have this. The moment I see this triangle, what I'll do, I'll make it r minus 10, I'll make it r minus 20, I'll make it r, and I put r minus 20 square, r minus 10 square is equal to r square. 10, 10, 10, that means this is 30, 40, 50. Immediately I'll put this value as 50. And the question is solved. Now, dear students, if you like this particular question, you can just go to Amazon, check my book Brahmastra as it is written over here. Check the ratings of the book, check the feedback what the students have given about this book. I am assuring you this is the best possible book, best book available in the market right now, with video solutions for all the questions and properly designed, properly systematic exercises. That is, for each exercise there is a basic, first there is basic concept, then the questions appear in hierarchy of toughness. That is the easiest one, then a little bit tough, then more tough, and so on, like this. So you will enjoy this book. You will have video solution for each and every question. I promise you this thing. And the way other people are liking the book, I promise you, you will also like the book, and you are also gonna go to Amazon and give a 5-star rating. I promise you this thing. Just don't buy the book direct because I'm saying it. Just go to Amazon and check the ratings. Okay, bye.